DC Blue Astute receiver setup. Learning in of a transmitter button. To begin, we are currently in standby mode, indicated by the two lines on the LED display. Press and hold set for 3 seconds. Buzzer beeps twice, P flashes on the display. Scroll up to a lowercase r. To enter, press and release set. B in this menu is to set up transmitters and not to activate the infrared safety beams. Therefore, to learn a transmitter, press and hold the required button. While doing so, press and release set. One is on the display. If you wish to program a button into the light facility, scroll up to L. A different button or different channel on the transmitter. I'm going with the green button. Press and hold. Press and release set. One indicates that it is successfully learned in. To exit, press and release exit. We are now in standby mode. We will trigger from the full opening button for activation purposes. The transmitter has been successfully learned in. For the light facility, if this has been programmed in, press and release the green button, which in this case I've used, where you can now activate and deactivate the lights via a transmitter.